Greetings, fellow Mike Tubers. Welcome back to a brand new video. It's been a while. I know. But I've been busy with football again. Football, see? But yeah, today we are trying Sour Patch Kids Heal. I got so much love on the Sour Patch Kids ice cream. I'm like, I'll give this a shot. Ugh. Alright, let's count how many calories in this. Total fat, 5% fat. Sodium, 9%. Cholesterol, 0%. Not good to know. So, 3 grams of fat, 1 gram of protein. But yeah, not bad. Alright, so here's the package. Less packaging out front. It's kind of reminds me of this. So, kind of reminiscent of this. So, except it says post. Ignore the lawnmower in the background. Got this in the background. Top. Oh yeah, let's open this bad boy up. And here we go. Alright. So here you go. Good to know it spilled on the ground. Good to know. Alright, so you got all your different flavors, but here we go. I'm going to try one. Alone, it's not bad. Alone, I like it. It's like, it reminds me of this. But how does it taste with milk? That's the bigger question. Alright. On my milk here. Got a lawnmower here too. Here, I'll show you guys. Oh, there you go. Alright, so let's try it. It's alright. I don't know. It's alright, I guess. It's okay. Try another bite. Yeah, it's alright, I guess. I'm not a big fan of it. I like it alone more without the milk. I think the ice cream definitely took the dub. And the candy definitely took the dub. Because the sour stuff does not mix with the milk. Because they're straight up sour on this. See? Here you go. The little coating on it is straight up sour, so. But I say, oh wow, no, no. Well, that was the orange one. Oh my gosh, that was horrible. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no. I'd say it's better without milk. Leave it at that. It's better than without milk. I should have saved it for topping for ice cream. So, yeah. That would have been better. But, yeah. Oh, yeah, I think that's it. I say pass on it unless you really want to try it. That's what I say. Or eat it without milk. Because it's better without milk. But yeah, that's all for this time. Punch that like button, face like boss. See you guys in the next show. Bye-bye!